Is your EETV box constantly cutting out, giving you sudden shutdowns or signal loss? You're not alone. Many users experience these frustrating issues, especially with the latest EETV Pro Box models. These problems often stem from several key areas. Understanding these common causes is the first step to fixing the problem. Let's explore the main culprits behind these issues. The number one cause of EETV box shutdowns is overheating. This is particularly common during warmer months when ambient temperatures rise. Your TV box needs adequate ventilation to function properly. Dust accumulation, enclosed cabinets, and insufficient clearance around the device can cause dangerous temperature buildup. HDMI handshake problems are increasingly common, especially with newer 4K TVs and gaming consoles. This occurs when your TV box and display device fail to establish a proper connection. These handshake failures can cause signal loss, black screens, or intermittent cutting out. The problem is more frequent with 4K displays and newer gaming consoles. Weak broadband connections are another major cause of cutting out. Your EETV box requires a stable internet connection to stream content properly. Connections below 10 megabits per second for HD content or below 25 megabits per second for 4K content can cause buffering and signal interruptions. Power supply degradation is particularly common in older TV boxes that are 3 or more years old. Faulty power adapters and voltage fluctuations can cause unexpected shutdowns. Older boxes are especially susceptible to power-related failures. Voltage fluctuations and degraded power adapters can cause the system to shut down unexpectedly. In summary, the 4 main causes of EETV box cutting out are overheating due to poor ventilation, HDMI handshake problems with newer displays, insufficient internet speeds, and power supply issues in older devices. Now that you understand what causes these problems, you'll be better equipped to identify and fix the specific issue affecting your EETV box. The first and most effective troubleshooting step is power cycling your EETV box. This simple process resolves many temporary software glitches and connection issues. Unplug the power cable from your EETV box and wait at least 30 seconds. This allows all internal components to fully reset and clear any temporary errors. While waiting, check all cable connections, including HDMI, Ethernet, and coaxial cables. Ensure they are firmly seated and not damaged. Overheating is the leading cause of EETV box shutdowns. Proper ventilation is crucial for reliable operation. Remove dust buildup using compressed air. Focus on air vents and avoid placing the box in enclosed cabinets or near heat sources. Network connectivity issues can cause frequent interruptions. Testing your connection speed and switching to Ethernet can significantly improve stability. For the most reliable connection, use an Ethernet cable instead of Wi-Fi. Ethernet provides consistent speeds and reduces interference from other devices. If problems persist, a factory reset can resolve deeper software issues. However, this will erase all settings and recordings stored locally on your box. Before performing a factory reset, ensure your recordings are backed up to EE's cloud storage. Then, access the reset option through your box's settings menu. Keeping your firmware updated is crucial for optimal performance. EE regularly releases updates that fix bugs and improve stability. You can force a manual update by going to Settings, then System, and selecting Software Update. Enable automatic updates to ensure you always have the latest fixes. By following these 5 troubleshooting steps, you can resolve most EETV box cutting out issues. Start with the simple fixes like power cycling and ventilation, then move to network optimization and software solutions if needed.